The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor. Bagi way. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam. Tak sao pun rimlak. Just wow.
Haka jingmi ki kenram haka ni Jylla ka badang wai beteng haduk menta nak liang ke operation clean up Shillong. Haka nop hai sngi jong ka arpo ar tarik nailar arjar penrio kala penong ya ka program kerpang ka beletip kum ka Candlelight Peace Vigil ha pelau ka State Central Library. Kejing temu jong ni kejing alang kalong ban Wanrah biang ya ka Shongsuk Shongsan haka ni Jylla bat kum juru bakan don kejing pen baik ha pedang ki ar Jylla kata ke Jylla Meghalaya bat asam halor kejing yat kali. Hagani kejing alang lala ban sakhi kejing wan shim benta dagi paungot kinong shong snong bakan thop nadu ki riu paukman ki riu rangba ki samla nalor ki we.
Tapayawan sa kamiet banyak tay banyak kren kata kadi ko kongsan ha. Andai man kapor bangi yoi baki don kini kita jing alang kini kita jing ya jing serum ni be don make violence ke don kata kejing huri hura kejing penjulot. But kumuway na ki nong sunong juga Shillong amla ban pediang ya kata balai bangawan ni balai begini ki bagi paralog ne kiawan ni I bak nimla ta ban su imbet tang hagajing sier hagajing tieng hagajing tap ta hagajing shun long ni hab ban jurep ha po ban perkhat ha ke I bangi kwa ta ka society kum ka nongba ladang kwa tang hagajing huri hura tang hagajing kulmar te tonang nya sakmat le ka be semua kumon hane kani ngimla ta bensu penongkam mi kata ka philosophy hari jong inde ka bangimon namar bangi don ka kamram bangi deban ban budin ni deban pen biang ye ki ba baduna ki ba laj nga ko ban ong kawai mo ki bun ki breu ki sei but ki sekan to ye kani ka jingalang dole se to mga ko ban pensai ko mo minta nila ta ban persa ya kata kajing le bi ani kata ka Sri Simen bakawan kata ka judicial kata ka meeting ka ba public hearing ka ba kamdon brio manu di ba persa nila ban condemn kata nila ban persa kata nila ru ban persa nila ru ban kentu ban penbhai ke MPSC ka DSC nila niru nginget kata ngai baro ki brio ki don ngi nginget kata tangba nginget pada ta ki brio kiba rai kata kalama ki don hok ben chule ka bekimon bad menta la bun snam ni I bag Shillong be kumta tengi hangne ni haban ai kata khubor ka message ya ki brio hemdon marwei ki don ni don nomor pi hemdon ka mantieng ngimde ben chuda pe tang ta jing sier kani ka jing sier ngathai na ru ka por jong pi jong kiwe kala sudan ni haban pen du jaj no kanin mar mendon manu bakwa ban pen du jaj pi ban bakata ka jaj ban pi kan sa telap no kum saw kamdon na kum ta kita ki chu ki breu ki ba kren sikren ni kata mentala arpho lai phu sam ki kan ka chu sai kata ka jing kum sa sai kata ka jing telap kamdon namal kadi tang ka fear kadi tang ka jing penting hoi ki don ki jing buna na amle ni kata ngila ban penbaita kam ngidon kam ya clarity ngidon kam manung ki bajai minta la ngiyaj ning sarum ni jusngo be kum ngila ne ka bengi mon tang ma buwe bre dei shuna ka tajban dei jungi namang ni bakidei na kiwi wi nyam kata kami ham ka Meghalaya ka di ka multicultural state ka Meghalaya ka bun haki nyam ka bun haki bre ki basa ne pala ki khasi jantia baki garu ni bun ma Tementangin sule ben, in sule hebe ka chpingilan. Kata ngam suya ha, ngam de ujaj bleu bangit kata, bang anum la ban pediang lanu kata. Kamli lain da tang marweru anum la ban pediang kata. Dengan suka nong tangi ta kai kinyak asu kam tang ba ngang susmo kwa ban pensai kata namar ba kata ka ngatrai kata ka ni kinong rem jungi bangi kwa ya ka peaceful resolution ya bun hagi problem and we can fix it comparatively la talk ka no sugi isu pang ila la panang ya sarkar sa sipor panang sigi wei seng kata kadika discussion kata kadika rukom banyak cakman inde bansu koloi tang daga ketiban
for myself my own moral conscience is that whoever was attacked, an innocent bystander, and an unarmed man, I think that injustice itself has got to me. And I like to say that as a background, I have faced racism. I have faced being othered by people who perhaps didn't understand where I came from or what I look like. But the fact that whether we are of different ethnic communities or different people does not justify the act that is done to innocent bystanders. That is what breaks my heart. No matter who they are, and no matter what I have faced personally, I feel that injustice in itself is what should keep us motivated and keep us fight the right fight. Go with what is in your heart, not to lash out at others in retaliation, but to pay it forward with kindness, to pay it forward with peace, if they can be. Right now, honestly, I don't feel very peaceful, and I feel that this has been repeated over the years, and it will keep on getting repeated across perhaps many decades or so. I don't know, maybe I'm just a pessimist, but I feel that what we can do as people is, maybe we are a small gathering right now, but we can make our voices louder and help what we can do to mitigate this situation and to help people that are defenseless.
What we understand about trauma is that it can be intergenerational trauma that keeps on repeating itself. All because we don't take that responsibility for how we behave, how we don't take that responsibility for how we are expressing our dissent. I think all of us, because we are human beings, will always have some kind of dissonance in the way we perceive things. But that does not give anybody the right to be violent and to cause trauma to others. That little child sitting in that tourist cab would be recalling that same event day in and day out, causing long-term dysfunctions, not only in behavior, but in how the brain also, sometimes when we are seeing any kind of violence, it is the brain that goes into a shutdown. So I think whoever it is who has done these very atrocious and unmindful and very unkind deeds should take stock of what it is that they want to address and use an open platform like this, or maybe create some kind of a space where discussions can be very polite. Discussions can also be very civil. We are a civil society. That we must not lose sight of that. So it is the civility and politeness and kindness in each and every one who stays in the state of Meghalaya that can help our young children feel safe again. Many generations, I have myself been a victim of that trauma, seeing all those, year after year of just uncertainty. I don't think we need to go to anything uncertain anymore. Let us be very, focused on what it is that we want to do. We are the examples of how our youngsters will behave. So I think it's about time that our youth, who are also leaders in their respective fields, can be a role model for our young children, where they can discuss, they can resolve their issues, and they can feel safe that yes, they are in a democratic setup.
As a true Shillongite, I'm sure all of us here, we have come with one feeling, and that for Shillong and our state to be at the best of its betterment that we can think about. Let's be very clear on this, and that's why we are here today. But Brian spoke about one incident which affected the psychology of youngsters. Let me tell you a live example which happened yesterday. I got a call somewhere around 2 o'clock from a student who is studying in Gurgaon. And she asks me, saying that, excuse me, am I talking to Anki? I said, yes. My father had been to Woodland Hospital in the morning, and we just wanted to collect the blood reports. We are not sure, is this a good ploy because of the rally and the situation? And let me not take the name, because a name signifies the caste and communities, and difference of opinions happen. But let me tell you, the required help was catered. But was this situation necessary? Today I would request the government, the pressure groups, the senior state leaders to think about one thing. And if all of us are thinking about the state's betterment, then such scenes and such scenarios do not have a place to hold. And talking about human life, this has gone to an extent of vandalizing national heroes, which talks about us not knowing about ourselves and our nationality. Here I can vouch on anyone out here will not do it, irrespective of your mindset, be in whichever level. Today, I look forward to all of you, and I might inch a little communal here, I'm sorry, but when the knife hits you again and again and again, it's better to cut the knife rather than getting yourself operated every time. So my apologies to say this. I'm a Bengali from Shillong, born and brought up from Shillong. And because I've heard even an adolescent say this, I request all of you, because I know you understand, please encourage and cascade this small message that there is a significant difference between Bangladeshis and Bengalis of India, definitely Bengalis of Shillong. Thank you so much.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Wanrah Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.